Hi, my dear. I'm Javid, engineer, phytotherapist, analyzer, and formulator of medicinal plants and OSA. Join me in learning about the miracle plant Moringa oleifera. Before starting, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you want to be with me, hit the bell. Thank you. This plant is native to southwestern India. Moringa oleifera has many bioactive compounds that make it called a miracle plant. Combinations like vitamins, carotenoids, polyphenols, phenolic acids, flavonoids, alkaloids, glucosinolates, isocyanates, tannins, and saponin, which have the highest amount in the leaves of the plant. In his video, I will examine the properties and effective ingredients of the Moringa oleifera plant. Okay, vitamin. The fresh leaves of Moringa oleifera are a good source of carotenoids, vitamin E and vitamin C, which are considered to improve vision and help with reproductive problems, as well as antioxidant and anti-stress agent. Polyphenols. Dried Moringa oleifera leaves are an excellent source of polyphenolic compounds such as flavonoid and phenolic acids. Flavonoids are synthesized in the plant as a response to microbial infection. The properties of flavonoids in the body are to help treat chronic disease related to oxidative stress such as cardiovascular disease and cancer. Glucuronic acid CGA is a phenolic compound containing caffeic acid and quinic acid that has properties helping to treat metabolic syndrome, hepatic steatosis, cardiovascular disease, obesity, diabetes, and metabolic syndrome, prevention of cataract, prevention and treatment of cancer, prevention of fibrosis, reduction of arsenic toxicity of the reproductive system, reduction of the effect of oxidative stress, and antioxidant properties. It is antibacterial and antioxidant. Gallic acid as an antimicrobial and antioxidant. Phenolic acid, which is a strong antioxidant and anti-cancer agent. Camphor. Camphor, it is a strong antioxidant that can help protect cell from damage caused by free radicals. It is considered as an anti-inflammatory, anti-cancer, and antimicrobial agent. Also have the main flavonoids in Moringa oleifera leaves are myristin, quercetin, and camphor. Myristin. Myristin, one of the strong antitumoral antioxidants of the brain, and prevents the occurrence of neurological complications such as dementia or ischemia. Quercetin. Quercetin is a strong antioxidant helping to treat metabolic syndrome such as hypertension, obesity, anti-diabetes, and fatty liver, as well as helping to treat liver disorders. Present in Moringa plant has anti-cancer, anti-atherosclerotic, anti-inflammatory, and anti-hepatic properties, and it is also known as antitoxicity with heavy metal. The saponins in Moringa plant helps to treat fatty liver by removing bile acid and resynthesize bile acid from cholesterol. The way to use Moringa tea is to brew 1 tablespoon with a glass of boiling water and drink 2 cups a day. I am at your service with other video. Don't forget like and subscribe. Good luck. Thank you.